From the dawn of humanity, the moon has captivated our imaginations. It has been a celestial beacon guiding us through the darkness. The moon has inspired countless myths, stories, and dreams. For centuries, we gazed upon its silvery surface, wondering if we could ever reach out and touch it. With the advent of the space age, this dream became a tangible goal. The 20th century witnessed remarkable advancements in science and technology. These advancements paved the way for humanity's first foray into space. From the first artificial satellite to the first human in orbit, each step brought us closer to the moon. The world watched in awe as the impossible became possible. The moon, once a distant object of wonder, was now within our grasp. The stage was set for one of the greatest adventures in human history. The quest to conquer space became intertwined with the geopolitical rivalry of the Cold War. The United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a fierce competition for technological supremacy. This competition extended beyond Earth's atmosphere, as both nations sought to demonstrate their prowess in space. The launch of Sputnik 1 in 1957, the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth, sent shockwaves through the United States. The Soviet Union had taken the lead in the space race, and the US was determined to catch up. This event spurred the creation of NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. President John F. Kennedy, in a famous speech in 1961, challenged the nation to land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth before the end of the decade. This ambitious goal galvanized the nation and set in motion the Apollo program. The Apollo program was a monumental undertaking, representing the pinnacle of human ingenuity and collaboration. It was a testament to the power of human ambition and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The program's primary goal was to achieve a lunar landing, but it encompassed much more. Before Apollo, NASA had already embarked on two pioneering human spaceflight programs, Mercury and Gemini. Mercury proved that humans could survive and operate in space. Gemini further advanced our capabilities, demonstrating rendezvous and docking maneuvers essential for a lunar mission. Apollo built upon the foundation laid by these programs, pushing the boundaries of technology and human endurance. It was a journey of exploration, discovery, and the indomitable spirit of human endeavor. The Apollo program gave rise to a plethora of technological innovations that would shape the future of space exploration. At the heart of this technological marvel was the Saturn V rocket, the most powerful launch vehicle ever built. Its immense power was necessary to propel the Apollo spacecraft beyond Earth's gravity and towards the moon. The Apollo spacecraft itself consisted of three main modules. The command module housed the crew and served as the control center for the mission. The service module provided propulsion and life support systems. Finally, the lunar module, a marvel of engineering in its own right, was designed to land on the moon and return the astronauts to lunar orbit. These spacecraft were equipped with cutting-edge guidance systems, communication arrays, and life support technologies. The spacesuits worn by the astronauts were technological marvels, providing a portable environment that allowed them to work and survive on the lunar surface. On July 20, 1969, the world held its breath as the Apollo 11 lunar module, Eagle, touched down on the surface of the moon. Neil Armstrong, mission commander, became the first human to set foot on another celestial body. His words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed across the globe, marking a pivotal moment in human history. The lunar surface, once a distant and unknown realm, was now a tangible reality. Armstrong and his fellow astronaut Buzz Aldrin spent several hours exploring the lunar surface, collecting samples, conducting experiments, and planting the American flag. Millions of people around the world watched on television screens, united in awe and wonder. The moon landing was a testament to the power of human ingenuity, perseverance, and the boundless capacity of the human spirit. Overcoming the odds, challenges in the void. The Apollo 11 mission was fraught with challenges. The moon presented a harsh and unforgiving environment. Temperatures swung wildly between extreme heat and frigid cold. The lunar surface was covered in fine dust, posing a hazard to both equipment and human health. Navigation in the vastness of space was no easy feat. Communication delays between Earth and the Moon added to the complexity of the mission. Every maneuver, every calculation was critical to the mission's success. NASA engineers and scientists worked tirelessly to overcome these challenges. They developed innovative solutions, from advanced navigation systems to specialized materials that could withstand the Moon's extreme conditions. The success of Apollo 11 was a testament to their dedication and ingenuity. Lunar discoveries, unlocking the Moon's secrets. The Apollo 11 mission marked the beginning of a new era of lunar exploration. The astronauts brought back a treasure trove of lunar samples, providing scientists with invaluable insights into the Moon's composition and history. These samples revealed the Moon's volcanic past and provided clues about the early solar system. The mission also deployed scientific instruments on the lunar surface, including a seismometer to measure moonquakes and a laser reflector used to precisely measure the distance between the Earth and the Moon. These instruments continued to collect data long after the astronauts returned home, expanding our knowledge of our celestial neighbor. The Apollo 11 mission and the subsequent Apollo missions transformed our understanding of the Moon. It was no longer a distant object of mystery, but a world we were beginning to comprehend. Perhaps one of the most profound impacts of the Apollo missions was the shift in human perspective. For the first time, humans had ventured beyond Earth's protective embrace and looked back at our home planet. Images of Earth, a small blue sphere suspended in the vastness of space, became iconic representations of our planet's fragility and interconnectedness. The Apollo missions reminded us that we live on a precious and unique planet. They fostered a sense of global unity and a shared responsibility for our common home. The pale blue dot, as Carl Sagan famously called it, became a symbol of hope and a call to action to protect our planet. The Apollo program in many ways transcended its scientific and technological achievements. It touched upon something deeper within us, a yearning to explore, to understand our place in the cosmos, and to appreciate the beauty and fragility of our home planet. The legacy of Apollo 11 extends far beyond the realm of space exploration. It ignited a passion for science and technology in generations to come. Countless young people were inspired to pursue careers in STEM fields, driven by the dream of pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The technological innovations developed for the Apollo program had far-reaching applications here on Earth. From advancements in material science to improvements in communication and computing, the Apollo program left an indelible mark on our technological landscape. Perhaps most importantly, Apollo 11 demonstrated the power of human ambition and collaboration. It showed that seemingly impossible goals could be achieved with the right combination of vision, determination, and teamwork. Return to the Moon, the Artemis generation. Over 5 decades have passed since the Apollo 11 mission, but the spirit of exploration lives on. Today, NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon, this time to stay. Artemis represents a new chapter in lunar exploration, one that seeks to establish a sustainable presence on the Moon and pave the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. Artemis is more than just a return to the Moon. It's about building a lunar gateway, a stepping stone for humanity's journey deeper into space. It's about inspiring a new generation of explorers, the Artemis generation, to reach for the stars and continue our species' journey of discovery. The Artemis program will build upon the legacy of Apollo, leveraging new technologies and international partnerships to push the boundaries of human exploration. It represents a continuation of the human spirit of adventure and our insatiable curiosity about the universe we inhabit. The science behind Apollo 11. While the Apollo 11 mission is often celebrated for its monumental achievement of landing humans on the Moon, its scientific contributions are equally profound. The mission brought back 47.5 pounds of lunar rocks and soil, providing invaluable insights into the Moon's composition and geological history. The analysis of these samples revealed that the Moon and Earth share a common origin, supporting the giant impact hypothesis. The lunar soil, or regolith, also contained tiny glass beads formed by ancient volcanic activity, giving us clues about the Moon's fiery past. Another key experiment was the deployment of the Lunar seismic profiling experiment, which recorded moonquakes and provided data on the moon's internal structure. This seismic data has helped scientists understand the moon's crust, mantle, and core, shedding light on its formation and evolution. The laser-ranging retroreflector left on the lunar surface continues to provide precise measurements of the distance between the Earth and the Moon. This ongoing experiment has deepened our understanding of the Moon's orbit and contributed to tests of Einstein's theory of general relativity. Through these scientific endeavors, the Apollo 11 mission has profoundly expanded our knowledge of the Moon and the broader cosmos. The data collected continues to inform and inspire new generations of scientists and explorers, reminding us that every giant leap is built on the foundation of rigorous scientific inquiry. As we look forward to future missions, we carry with us the legacy of Apollo 11's scientific achievements, ever curious, ever driven to unlock the mysteries of the universe. The legacy of Apollo 11. The Apollo 11 mission did more than just land humans on the Moon. It forever altered the trajectory of human endeavor and imagination. The technological advancements made during the mission have had far-reaching impacts, from the development of new materials and computer technologies to advancements in telecommunications and medical equipment. These innovations have woven themselves into the fabric of everyday life, showcasing the power of space exploration to drive technological progress. The mission also ignited a spark of inspiration that has burned brightly through the decades. It encouraged generations of young minds to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, fostering a culture of innovation and discovery. On a societal level, Apollo 11 symbolized what humanity can achieve when united by a common goal. It transcended national borders and political differences, reminding us that we share a common humanity and a shared destiny among the stars. While the legacy of Apollo 11 is often celebrated in terms of its technological and scientific achievements, it is equally important to remember the human stories behind this monumental mission. The astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins were not just pioneers of space. They were individuals with families, dreams, and fears. The rigorous training they underwent was both physically and mentally demanding. They spent countless hours in simulators, preparing for every possible scenario, and endured grueling physical tests to ensure they were fit for the challenges of space travel. Their dedication and perseverance were a testament to the human spirit's resilience and determination. Neil Armstrong, the mission commander, carried the weight of history on his shoulders as he prepared to be the first human to set foot on the Moon. His calm demeanor and meticulous attention to detail were crucial in the success of the mission. Buzz Aldrin, the lunar module pilot, brought his expertise in orbital mechanics and his unwavering focus to the mission. His determination to succeed was matched only by his deep sense of duty. Michael Collins, the command module pilot, played a vital role in ensuring the safe return of his fellow astronauts. Alone in lunar orbit, he demonstrated remarkable composure and skill, knowing that the lives of his crewmates depended on him. The human side of Apollo 11 also includes the families who supported these astronauts. They endured the anxiety and uncertainty of the mission, understanding the risks involved, yet standing by their loved ones with unwavering support. The challenges faced by the Apollo 11 crew were not just technical, they were deeply personal. They had to overcome their own fears and doubts, relying on their training, their teammates, and their inner strength. In the end, the success of Apollo 11 was not just a triumph of technology, but a triumph of the human spirit. It was a mission that showcased the best of humanity, our courage, our ingenuity, and our ability to overcome the impossible. The human side of Apollo 11 reminds us that behind every great achievement, there are individuals who dare to dream, who work tirelessly, and who face immense challenges with grace and determination. As we continue to explore the cosmos, let us remember the personal sacrifices and the indomitable spirit of the Apollo 11 astronauts. Their journey to the Moon was not just a leap for mankind, it was a testament to the enduring strength of the human heart. As we reflect on the monumental achievements of Apollo 11, we also turn our gaze forward to the future of space exploration. The dreams of reaching new frontiers did not end with the Apollo missions. They were merely the beginning. Today, humanity stands on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, with ambitious plans to return to the Moon and venture even further to Mars. The Artemis program, spearheaded by NASA, aims to land the first woman and the next man on the Moon by the mid-2020 AS. This mission is not just about revisiting our lunar neighbor. It is about establishing a sustainable human presence on the Moon, paving the way for future missions to Mars. The lessons learned from Artemis will be crucial in overcoming the challenges of long-duration space travel and living on other celestial bodies. International cooperation is playing an increasingly vital role in advancing our understanding of the cosmos. Space agencies from around the world, including ESA, Roscosmos, JAXA, and CNSA, are collaborating on various projects, sharing knowledge, resources, and expertise. The International Space Station stands as a testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together, transcending national boundaries for the greater good. Private companies, too, are revolutionizing space exploration. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and other commercial ventures are developing new technologies to make space travel more accessible and cost-effective. Their innovations are driving a new wave of exploration, from reusable rockets to ambitious plans for Mars colonization. The future of space exploration is not just about reaching new destinations, it is about understanding our place in the universe. Missions like the James Webb Space Telescope and the Mars rovers are uncovering the mysteries of our solar system and beyond, searching for signs of life and expanding our knowledge of the cosmos. As we look ahead, we are reminded of the spirit of Apollo, of daring to dream, pushing the boundaries of what is possible, and working together for a common goal. The legacy of Apollo 11 continues to inspire new generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers, igniting a passion for discovery and innovation. In the coming decades, we will witness incredible achievements in space exploration. We will return to the Moon, set foot on Mars, and perhaps even venture beyond our solar system. Each step we take brings us closer to understanding the vast universe we inhabit. The future of space exploration is bright, filled with endless possibilities. It is a future that will be shaped by the same spirit of curiosity, determination, and cooperation that took us to the Moon over 50 years ago. Together, we will continue to reach for the stars, unlocking the secrets of the cosmos and forging a path for humanity among the stars.